Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed Army video. My name is Emmanuel and today a new important update has been launched by Google for Google Merchant Center. The new policy is regarding the product landing page requirements, and this is a very important one. So the update is regarding the product landing page requirements, and this is the policy which you can navigate yourself to as well for confirmation. If we have a look at the specific update, it states for out of stock items, the buy button must be grayed out on your product landing page. That is a very big important update. It must be grayed out. Normally what people do on the product landing page is that if the item is out of stock, they leave it on the product landing page so you can still make a purchase, or you you hide the button from the product landing page. So hiding the button is not allowed, so nobody should be doing that. So what you have to do now is make a function that disables the buy button. There's a code that you can set button equals disabled in the styling of the HTML. So let's have a look at how that looks like. So let's assume you go with the button function. I know that you can create buttons through different methods, but let's just assume you're using this one. What you want to then do is make sure that you add the word disabled to the add to cart button, and this makes sure that the button cannot be clicked on. Do note that you do have to add the availability status as in out of stock on the product landing page. So here's an example of an add to cart button. So I'm now in the developer tools and I can just make edits here. So for example, now you can see it adds the item to the basket, but if you add then disabled, then it's grayed out and you cannot click on it. And that is what we want. Make sure that you add the status as out of stock above the add to cart button. It can be anything, anywhere between the title and add to cart button. That's where you add availability is in stock or out of stock. If you have a pre-order or back order, make sure that also perfectly reflects your product landing page as well as in the data feed itself. So this new change is actually quite big, because before you were allowed to leave the button as add to cart when the items are out of stock. But now that has changed. That means that if you want to allow customers to continue to make purchases, you need to add the status back order. And that is a big difference. So this will have an effect on pretty much everyone on the internet. So that's why it's a very big, important update. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to reach out or leave a comment downstairs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.